So guys, as you can see, once again, this is one of the amazing places in Machakos County where nature defies gravity. So as you can see, we have poured some little amount of water, whereby the water has just gone up the hill instead of moving down the hill. Even when you see the boat row, when you roll a boat row of water, instead of the boat row going down the hill, the boat row moves up the hill.
Let's go down there and try the boat row. Come here, welcome.
So guys, as I was saying, this is downhill, and now when you roll a boat row of water, instead of the boat row going down the hill, it moves up the hill. And you can see very well, clearly. This is an amazing place. This is among the amazing places in Machakos County where nature defies gravity. And this place is referred, it is a few meters from Machakos County, and it is an amazing place as it attracts many tourists from different areas.